today we're going to take a look at the contents of the gear that I keep on my electric bike. For those of you that are going to ask, my electric bike is a custom-made electric bike. I got it secondhand off Facebook Marketplace. It's not a particular brand or anything. It's been great. It was just a local builder here in Florida that built it, and it's based off like a cafe racer type look. For those of you that know, ride bikes, ride motorcycles, etc., it can be difficult to have things in your pockets, a gun on the waistline, when you're sitting on a bicycle. It can be really uncomfortable. So you need to keep some essentials on the bike. How did I do that? I use this prototype fanny pack from Lunar Concepts. This is a hula pack. The updated version is sold on our website. This is just an older one. As you can see, it's really faded from the Florida sun. But this has been great. This rides on the gas can of the electric bike, but doesn't slide around, doesn't move, it holds everything I need. Just some essentials for when I'm buzzing around and I might not have or want to have stuff in my pockets. So let's take a look at it real quick. On the front, just keep a Sharpie. Small pouch up front. There's only 2 pockets. Some pepper spray, palm pepper spray. This is really great stuff, guys. It's inexpensive. It's easy to carry. Highly recommend getting a few of these. You can get trainers for them as well, so you can practice with them. This is a great self-defense tool, and not enough people carry pepper spray. So go check them out, Palm Pepper Spray, P-O-M. Little boo-boo kit, and this is actually just a broken down kit from the emergency first aid kit we sell on our website, and I just packed it down a little smaller, took some of the essentials out so it could fit in here. Nothing crazy in here, just a boo-boo kit. Swiss Army knife, pretty self-explanatory. I might replace this with a bigger multi-tool in the future, but for right now, this has helped me with a few things here and there when I'm buzzing around. And 2 spare mags up front for the Ruger LCP Max. Yes, this is a little excessive, but I just keep all the mags with the gun in one place, then I don't have to hunt around for them. They take up almost no space. These are 10 rounders. Just got some ball 380 in there, and ball 380 isn't terrible. When you need penetration, ball 380 isn't bad. 380 can sometimes under-penetrate, and these are the backup mags. You'll see the main mag in a second. So main pouch, nice and roomy. Keep a snake staff tourniquet in a pimp carrier inside. These tourniquets are awesome. Very small, very low profile. Got a chem light on the side. Has a little gate for my windlass. They even make a smaller version than this. They have an updated version, if I remember correctly, but this has been awesome just because it's so small. They work great. Snake Staff Medical, they're tourniquets. Again, they have a couple versions. And then Ruger LCP, which I keep in a cheap Kydex holster I got off Amazon. In this gun, I keep Hornady self-defense ammunition, and I have a full review on the LCP Max on the channel if you want to check it out. So that is the contents of the fanny pack that rides on my electric bike. Again, just small EDC stuff. I can just hop on it and go. People were asking what's in it, how I carry it, and this is it. So I thought I'd make a short video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to support us, go to wisemencompany.com.